look at the new house.
This is box number 1. This is what the room looks like so far. So you probably saw the title already and you're thinking, Nil, what? You're moving again? Like what? Aren't you sick of this? Well, it's true. This is not clickbait. The official move-in date is January 15th. It's currently December 26th. So we have like 30 days before we actually start the moving in process. Let's go. Let's go look at the new house. These tiles, they're not the cutest. This is box number 1. This has all of my bathroom stuff in it. And these are just some clothes that I like don't wear because it's not in season. So I packed those away. And now we just have, you know, all of these left. No more animal head, no more decorations. This needs to go away. Another box has been made. Just crazy. No more Christmas tree. This house is naked. Well, let's go do some more packing. There's another suitcase and a pumpkin. Yeah, love that. Hey, girl.
Hey guys, this is my room. There's a lot of shelves and I don't know what to do with that. No, what are some ideas for my shelves?
I could buy you picture frames and you could put pictures of me.
Yeah, honestly, I should just fill it up with a bunch of pictures of you. We have guests! Who is it?
So I have a few boxes, but since I don't have any of like the actual furniture, I can't put these anywhere. But I have those, and then we have my little bowl, whatever you want to call it. I have all of like this stuff that was in the cabinet in my bathroom, but again, I don't have like storage, so I have no idea where these are gonna go. So that's great. Oh, this green really is just repulsive. And I don't know why this lighting is green because it's not green in here. My closet is much emptier now. I literally have like 3 dresses, a few jeans left, 4 shirts. That's just great. And just some shoes that I kind of wear. It's work time. We just brought like a shit load of stuff, mainly my stuff from the house because we didn't bring anything that was mine yesterday. We have some progress in the closet. It's obviously not done, nowhere near done, but these are just some of the clothes that I'm not gonna wear anytime soon, so these can just hang here. I have dresses over here, and then these are just like tank tops, and then these are all sweaters, and then back here are just like button-ups and like, you know, cute things. I don't know what to do with my shoes because like this is filled all the way to the top with shoes. I don't know where to put these because I don't want to lay them out because it's not going to fit. So I might need to get like a shoe rack for that. So I don't want to unpack this until I have that. I brought over my magazine rack, and then I also hung up some jeans that I'm not going to wear anytime soon. I hung my jackets over here, and I need to bring another one of these from home because they're really nice organizers. Hopefully I can buy some like storage area for all this junk because I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this. I want to do like an empty house tour because I know you guys want to see like what the house actually looks like. So this is kind of like our little patio area. That's another like walkway, and then you walk in through here. We have this really nice beautiful garden that we're probably gonna put some furniture out, and then this is the door and you walk in. And the first thing on your left is the living room. Obviously there's an echo since there's nothing in here, but we have a beautiful fireplace. I actually really like it. And we're probably gonna put the TV up there, and then there's a little closet in here. When you walk over to the right side from the door, you have the dining area, and we have another one of these window thingies and chandelier. And then you walk into the kitchen. I love the tiles for the kitchen. I think it's so cute and it's nice. When you pass through the kitchen, there's this like walkway type thing that goes down to the basement. I don't know if the lights are on. but no, I don't think it is. There's a basement. Oh my god. Okay, bye. I don't like that. Over here, there's oh, there's me. I literally have never been into this bathroom. There's a bathroom in here. Nice. Right in front of the actual like front door is the staircase, and you go upstairs from here. Real cute. I love that it's a 2-story house. I think it's adorbs. You have these 2 like storage areas. The first door on your right goes into my sister's room. She has like this whole shelf thing going on in her room. 1 closet over here, and then she has another closet over here, which is really lucky. This is my parents' bedroom. This is their bathroom. Again, the tiles, real cute. And then they have their own closet, which you can like walk into, which is like sick, bruh. Sister's room, staircase, parents' room, and then you turn and there's this little hallway and you go in to my room. This is where you will be seeing me a lot because this is my room. You walk in, first thing on your left is closet number 1, and then on your right is closet number 2. I have a big ass window that I love because that means I get great lighting. And then you walk here, and this is like a vanity area. We share this area. You guys are familiar with this, right? That's my room. That's the bathroom, the ugly green bathroom. Yes, that's it. This is what my room currently looks like. There is nothing in it, and yep, this is it. All of these are empty. Wow, I look so cute right now, I know. Anyway, it's like 2:30 right now. The moving truck just got everything from the old house and they're bringing it here. So while they were doing that, I came here and I kind of just like finished up everything that was in my room. I had like a bunch of suitcases filled with clothes, so I put some of those in my closet. I got this thing. I don't even know where it came from. It was just in my room. I put all my sneakers up there, and then I put like all my boots. I did not know how many shoes I had. This is not even all of it. I put my boots up there, and then I got like my bag rack and I just put all of my bags there just for now. Nothing is gonna stay like this, just letting you know. This closet, I know it looks like a mess right now, but I hung up all my jeans. These are just like my throw pillows, and I organized like the... Whoa, buddy, you did not have to do that. It's like on my toe. Like, I'm actually in a lot of pain right now, and I'm just wrecking. Oh, ow. These are some of the products that were on that vanity room, and I just put them here for now. Everything is just like a question mark. Like, there's freaking 4 carpets in this bathroom. None of them go together. What are those? Everything is just, what? This is what the room looks like so far. Hey y'all, long time no vlog. It's like 9 p.m. right now. I am like dead. I'm tired to another level, but the room actually like came together in one day. You walk in through the door. My window is closed up right now, but I decided to put my bed in the middle, and I still need to get my little legs in so that my bed is higher, because that's how I like it. And then I have my bedside tables going on. We have this like fireplace that's just kind of sitting here. Here, let's turn it on. Aw. The closet, I think the closets are done. I don't think I'm gonna do anything else with the closets. They're looking pretty good. This room is still a question mark because I need to get storage for this area because none of this shit is organized. This is gonna be like my desk, although like I don't really want it here. My dresser is done. It's literally the same. I did not even change a single day. Like, this is exactly how it was in my old house. And this wall is like way too empty. Like, I don't like how empty it is. So I think I'm gonna put my grid up there just so, you know, there's a little bit going on because it's really empty. I need to get this shit sorted. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow. Ha, ha. Good night.